You saw the thumbnail. Yes, we're making changes to the model collection. Now the thing is, I'm not getting rid of the models. Yeah, I'm not getting rid of them. They're all in here. Now you may be wondering, what the hell? I spent a lot of money on them, and I did, but we're upgrading the model collection. By upgrade, I mean to 1 to 28. Never said that properly. 1 to 20. My god. My god. 1 to 18 scale. How hard was that? Jeez. Yes, we're upgrading every single model in my collection to 1 to 18 scale, which means the model collection process is going to be a bit slower because they're slightly more expensive. But you may be wondering, what am I doing with my current collection? They're going to be used for the poster. That's right, I'm going to be encasing them with resin, because that way, because these models, here's another reason why I'm upgrading them real quick. The models that I want in my collection are, some of them are extremely hard to find, in terms of like rarity, and it's very hard to find a 1 to 24. And the hours of research, and especially the biggest one being the Bugatti Chiron. What else? The Lamborghini Element. That's the wrong model, I am really sorry. The Lamborghini Veneno was a big one as well. Apparently it's a part of the Senna. That was a tough one to find. But all of them are going to be coated in resin. They're going to be all protected. Now the idea with this is to show what my channel does, even though it's kind of obvious. But I want this board mounted on the wall with the cars encased in resin. There's going to be a thin layer of plastic 3D printed plates going around the entire thing. And there's going to be LED strips added to it as well. So we're pretty much upgrading the same idea. Again, I know this is a repeating thing I've noticed. But this time, the idea with the LED strips is going to be upgraded. Yeah. Oh man, you have no idea how excited I am. I've already got a lot of models listed on eBay to buy over the next few months.